Welcome back, young explorer. By now, you know that your life has purpose, as discussed in Module 1, and that you need vision to see where you are going, as discussed in Module 2. In this lesson, we will go deeper. You will discover that your life was designed on purpose by the one who created you. God in heaven created you and permitted for you to come to this world through your parents for a purpose. Only God knows your true design. Therefore, in discovering your purpose, you should know your Creator. God has put inside everything you need to live fulfilled. You are not random. You are not a mistake. You are a masterpiece with a plan. Think of a phone. Before anyone buys it, the company designs it, they give it a purpose, which is to communicate, e.g., to make calls, send messages, and so on, then build in all the parts needed to fulfill that purpose, which includes battery, screen, operating system, and more. You are the same way. Your Creator designed you with a blueprint, a detailed plan for your life. That means, 1. You are equipped. The talents, gifts, and personality you have are not random. They were put in you to match your purpose. 2. You are unique. No two blueprints are the same. You do not have to compare yourself with others. 3. You are intentional. Your life has meaning because you were made with care. Imagine a seed of an apple tree. Inside that tiny seed is the blueprint of a whole orchard, but the tree only grows if the seed is planted. You are that seed. Everything you need is inside you, waiting to be discovered and grow. You are not an accident. You are an assignment. Reflection and journaling. 1. Write down 3 unique things about yourself: skills, habits, or passions. 2. Imagine yourself as a seed. What kind of tree do you think you will grow into? 3. How does knowing you were designed make you feel about your future? We have come to the end of Module 3, Study Resources. Visit the Marketplace store on the Skulearn.com website to get books for further studies. At the end of this course, you can get your Purpose and Leadership Certificate, and you will get access to play the Life Path games. See you in the next module. Stay tuned and don't go anywhere.